we're going to do a quick video on how to change the cabin air filter for the 5th gen 4Runners. Alright, this is a quick and easy job. So come on over to the passenger side. And excuse the mess, this is a work truck and daily driver as well. So glove compartment, open that up. You see that rectangle right there? That's where your cabin air filter is. So press one tab down, press the second tab down. We'll put that to the side, and then we also have two more tabs inside here. This one here, push in and pull out. Then we'll push in. Let's see. And pull out. And there is your cabin air filter. You'll notice that there are arrows that face up, and it says up. Now that's the factory Toyota cabin air filter. If you replace with an aftermarket, you'll have to be careful. If you replace with Toyota, you'll do it the exact same way. So let's pull this one out, and then we'll compare them to the new cabin air filter. This is the replacement. It's aftermarket. Name is called EP Auto, and it is a charcoal cabin air filter. I will put a link to this particular one if you're interested. It is about half the price as a Toyota and readily available. So size is exactly identical. This has 27 pleats. I counted them. This one has 19 pleats. There are some other ones that are super cheap, like 10 bucks. And those have like 9-10 pleats, but I didn't want to go that far down. There was some good surface area with this one here. Now this is what you're gonna have to pay attention to. Airflow. Arrows are gonna go down on the aftermarket. On the factory one, arrows are gonna go up. So let's grab this one and head over to the vehicle. All right, so very simple install, guys. Should be done once a year. That one is in, arrows are facing down. I'm going to put the covers back on, and this job is done. Honestly, up until recently, I didn't know how easy it was to do on the Toyotas, so I kind of was putting it off. So on this one right here, there's two tabs. Just slide in here, and then click, and done. And that's it. This is a 2-minute job, so go get yourself a cabin air filter if you haven't changed it recently, and change that thing out. Breathe some clean air, guys.